Welcome back. Now, one of the ways you're going to get a handle on how your client is going to react to the way you're delivering a product is going to be using the test. And to do that, you're going to go into the Offers tab. When you get there, you're going to find the offer that you want to test, and you're going to click inside of that offer. When you get inside of the offer, you're going to look for this blue button. You're going to pull the drop down arrow, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to click Test Purchase. Now what you can do is you can then walk through the entire funnel process using a separate PayPal account. Now if you'd rather not spend the amount that you have here, what you can do is you can go back outside of the funnel, and then you're going to go inside of each product, and you'll go into the edit page, and then you'll simply choose to lower the price to 50 cents. Now, no one is going to see this take place, and this will be before the actual launch happens. And you can actually do this in a way so that if you make each product 50 cents, the funnel will move you through each product at 50 cents once you actually set the prices. Now, it used to be that you'd have to do a test where you'd use 2 PayPal accounts, but WarriorPlus gives you the option of being able to pay with a card with no PayPal account. So you can do that inside of this screen. Now, the test isn't just a matter of watching the funnel to make sure that all of the offers are presented. You also want to make sure that all of the links are clickable inside of the receipts that you receive from the sales process. If part of the purchase involves a membership, you'll want to walk through the membership process. You want to make sure that the membership works so that the login and passwords that are given to your clients actually do work as they come from WarriorPlus. And once you're satisfied that the funnel works and that the delivery of each product in the funnel is sufficient, you can then move on to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.